Hello there, 585ers. This is your weekly preview for Holy Guacamole, March 1. Where has it gone? This is flying by. You know, they say as you get older, it seems like time moves faster. Well, okay, I guess maybe I'm getting older. But what we're going to do this Thursday, March 1, is we're going to revisit one last time our module on the alphabet soup. We have now covered TPAC, SAMR, and UDL. Thursday night's class was amazing. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Let's keep it up. Let's keep it up. What we're doing is we're going to be using a tool called, and I have to always stop and read this because I always called it Blend Space. But now it's called TES Teach with Blend Space Resources. Okay. We're going to be using that along with, and I probably should have had this up here before I started this recording, but I'll go ahead and put it up now. We'll be using this link that's right here in the top of our module that will take us to a website, a wiki, that contains, besides the entire presentation that had to do with TPAC, it also contains a whole series of videos that are examples of technology use in different locations, classrooms, age groups, you name it, it's in here. And what we're going to be doing is we'll be using the blend space to identify 3 videos that you think do the best job or the worst job of explaining or demonstrating TPAC, SAMR, and UDL. And the way you do it is extremely simple. You'll be logging in as me, like we log into everything, just about, as me. You will create a new lesson. Once you've created the new lesson, you'll need to go to that site, find a video, and all you're doing is you're copying the video URL. In other words, you do a right click, get the copy video URL. I come back into my blend space, and I'm going to come over here where there is a sort of space for me to put the URL in, and I'm going to paste it in. When I do so, I want to select the YouTube symbol, the little triangle. And now I actually have the movie, which I can now drag over and drop in. Underneath that movie in this box is where I will start writing why I think this is a really good example or a really bad example. And that's all there is to it. Now, how do we get it out of here? That's even easier. By now, right as we have talked about Fullen all along, this becomes a part of the skinny. This becomes a part of what we already know how to do. And that is, we're going to come over here to where it says share. We're going to come down and find the embed code. Sorry, it's kind of hidden. There it is. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to highlight it, copy it, and we have waiting for us here another Padlet at the top level of our module. And in that Padlet, we're going to put our blend space that we made. Let's scroll down and get to it. Here it is. And again, all we're going to do is double click to start a note, hit the link icon, paste in your code, and save it. And your blend space will appear right here. It takes a little bit to load in because there is a lot on a blend space. That's it. And then we'll do our little gallery walk again and admire each one of our blend spaces. So that'll be for Thursday, March 1. As always, I look forward to seeing you. And as always, if you have a question, concern, you know how to get a hold of me, 502-457-2937. And oh, yes, one last thing. We will do this whole thing in class. So you don't need to do anything before class, except maybe if you want to watch the blend space tutorial. I gave it to you, in about 35 seconds. So I don't think you're going to have a problem working the blend space. Look forward to seeing everybody Thursday night.